Okay, so now you have created a server 2012 instance in Amazon AWS environment. These are all the details we have already seen, right? Now let's go ahead and create a new or deploy the IaaS server on this computer. It's the same thing that you do it in your regular computer as well. So just open a server manager. That is your server manager. Now you will just add a new role and features onto this particular server. So just click add roles. Okay. Click next. Hmm, Oh, the connection has lost. Let me reopen this one more time. Remember, the connection is lost does not mean that our instance is deleted, right? Here you can check the instance state as well. So even though my connection is lost to the remote computer, it is still running right now. So I can easily just open the same remote desktop client once again. Okay, there you go. So now what you guys did, it already saved the instance. There was some issue. I don't know why it did not save it, but just click next. You will do click next one more time. Select this particular server. Again, this is the same server. This shows your private IP address and not a public IP. Not this is your public IP EC2-5290-143-252. That is your public IP. This is your private IP address. Just click next and select the web server or IaaS server role. You can install all the features as well. Just click add features and click next. You can add .NET framework or any other thing you would like to add, or just click next. So it will install the web server role on your computer with all these features are getting installed right now. Just click next, click install. And wait until the IaaS server installation on your cloud is complete. It will take just a couple of minutes. I will also show you how to deploy a website, or like how to, whatever default page this IaaS server has generated, we can access it using the particular IP address. I'll also show you that. Okay. You can also close this wizard if you don't want to see it at the time, but this is running in cloud right now. You have created Windows instance in cloud. Now you are deploying IaaS server or a web server in the cloud computer or cloud server, and then you will host your websites onto this server. And you can see the progress right here. It's still getting installed right now, so we just have to wait. Once the installation is done, then you can see the IaaS server on this menu, so you can directly click over there. You can refresh it to see if it's completed or not. So there you go. So the installation is complete for your IaaS server. Let's go ahead and open this IaaS server. Click IaaS and then select the server name. Right click on it and go to Internet Information Services. Just go over there and you guys should see the IaaS server that is installed right now. Okay. Let's look at a default page that is generated with your site as well. Right, so if you guys go to the site, just go to default site and click on a content view. Click on the content view. So you should see the IaaS startup page. Just click browse. That will show you your local host page that is created in your computer right now. It's still waiting, and there you go. So this is your sample IaaS page that is created. Okay. Let me just show you one more thing how you can access this page from outside. So if you just type the IP address, if you copy the IP address and just type IaaS server, it will show up on this as well on your regular page. Okay. So now you have, just to recap the steps that we did, you guys install. First, we created Windows instance. Second thing we did is we install IaaS server on this computer, on this server, and then now we can easily see the website as well. So whatever websites you want to create now, just create a new website and you can deploy it on this server. So your computer is ready with the IaaS site. Now let's just close this and monitor some more things on the Amazon console, right? So just click close. Again, what you are doing, your remote session is only ending right now. You are not shutting down your computer, it is still running. So just click OK. Now, when you go to this Amazon console page and just refresh, you can see all this detail. The instance is still running. Your status is still okay. It is perfectly fine. Now you can go to the Elastic Block Store and check the volume that you are using for this instance. Your instance name is IIS server, and you are using the volume this is the volume ID for that. This is the volume ID. This is the size. This is your snapshot that you are using. And this is your April 14 at this. So you created this on April 14th. Your volume status is okay. And there you go. So now your instance is running in cloud. We have installed IIS server as well. Now tomorrow, or just right now, I feel like I want to change the instance type. This instance T1 micro is not sufficient for me, and I would like to update the settings, or I would like to add additional CPU. So what you can do is just go to the instance setting, and then we can change the behavior, right? You can also see the system logs, whatever happened so far, right? This is all the log files that got generated. Your Windows instance was ready to use. Now we can search by different if you have thousands of instance, you can just search by a particular tag. So let's say my tag name is ABC or department, right? Or value is this. I can always just search by this tag and just click on search. It will show me the available instances. There you go. So I can search it by instances. So if you have one department that is using thousands of instances, you can even add more and more filter. Like for example, I can put HR as a new filter. You can search for that. You can search for the IIS server as well. That is one of my filter. You can search for that. So whatever tags you have created, this is another tag that I have created, UAI. You can even search for that one. Okay. So this is very helpful when you are managing many instances. At that time, this filter functionality is very helpful. Now, I realize that now I don't need to worry about the instance, so I can just go to the instance state. If I want to reboot, I can just click on a reboot command. So from my console, I can reboot the server directly. So let's just reboot it right now and click yes, reboot. So it will start rebooting the server. And you can check the different state, and you will see the differences as well, like what is going on with the instance. You can also see the log files that's going on, that's using it right now. So it will perform the reboot. Now if you don't want to use this instance, you can just go to this, go to terminate, and it will also remove this particular volume. So any data that is stored on this particular storage is also going to be deleted. So just click yes, terminate. So it will delete any data that is installed here. So just to recap in this video, what we did, we installed the IIS server, then we learned about the different things, how to stop, how to reboot, how to terminate the instances, and there you go, the instance is terminated now.